At syempre, hindi rin po tayo papayag kasi hindi rin po papatalo ang aking partner sa kantahan, especially dito sa solo spot niya. Isa pa ulit for JM Benacena!
I've hungered for your touch on God speed your love to me. Lonely rivers flow to the sea, to the open arms of the sea. Yeah, lonely was sun, wait for me, wait for me. I'll be coming home, wait for me. Maraming salamat po.
Palakpakan naman po natin ulit, Mr. JM Benacena. Parang wala namang ganito.
Okay, again, Miss Mariel Magdaliana, everyone. Palakpakan niyo.
Salamat po.
Yes, ngayon naman, ang pinaka-abangan, o pinaka-inaabangan natin lahat. Ito na, Mariel.
Oo, JM. It's our honor para muling ipakilala ang nag-iisa. Are you guys excited?